What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you are new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4 error CE-33383-0. It's a PSN cannot sign in, so you have a problem with the network. And here we go. I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen. Go to the settings and then go to the network. Here we are at the network. View PlayStation network services. Sometimes the server is down, that's why your PSN account is signed out or not going to sign in. And here the PSN is working, and if not working then you just wait. Sony will fix this automatically. And if you have a problem with the local network, you just forget and connect with the new one and change the setting to the 5G only or automatic set it on. If you use a LAN cable, it's better than the Wi-Fi. And here's the login setting. You simply check in the login setting also. So that's how that simply you can fix this error. And if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one, for the next topic.